What's up guys, welcome to Budget Gadgets. Today I have with me the Nokia 6.2. What I'm gonna do is I will unbox this and then as usual do a quick overview of the device so as to help you know whether this is a budget gadget of your choice. A quick side note, I will be selling this device at $170 US. I'm pretty sure it's being sold above $200 out there, but just because I have unboxed it, I will be selling it at a lower price. So hit me up after the video. Let's do this. So here we have the device. I must admit that this device looks beautiful. It really looks nice. Feels nice in my hand. It doesn't feel like a budget gadget. Feels premium, but I promise you this is a budget gadget. So what I'm gonna do is look at the device itself, but before that I will give an overview of the hardware and the software specifications, and then we will jump into the device. So this phone was released in October 2019. Then the hardware of the device is, the colors are ceramic black and ice, and the dimensions are 159 millimeters in height, 75 millimeters of width, 8.25 millimeters in thickness, and 180 grams in weight. The phone houses a 3500 milliamp hour battery. This particular device has 4 gigs of RAM and 64 gigs of internal storage. You can get other variants like the 3 gigs of RAM, 32 gigs of internal storage, or 4 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs of internal storage. There is SD card support for up to 512 gigs of internal storage. Let's talk about the display. The display of this device is an IPS LCD touchscreen with 16 million colors. It's a Corning Gorilla Glass 3, both front and back. The size of the screen is 6.3 inches with 82.5 screen to body ratio. The type of display here is an FHD Plus with something Nokia calls a pure display. The resolution here is 1080 by 2280 pixels with 19 by 9 aspect ratio. Let's talk about the cameras. The rear camera is a 16 megapixel main shooter. Then there are 2 other cameras, a 5 megapixel depth sensor and an 8 megapixel ultra wide lens. There's of course an LED flashlight. The front facing camera is an 8 megapixel shooter. You can take selfie videos at 1080p and 720p at 30 frames per second, and at the back you can take videos, you can take 4K, 1080p and 720p all at 30 frames per second. The software in this device is good. The phone was released with Android 9 Pie, but you can upgrade it to Android 10Q. Nokia has subscribed to the Android One program, and so they promise updates for 2 years. And the CPU in here is a Qualcomm Snapdragon 636 octa-core. The GPU here is Adreno 509. There's Bluetooth in this device and there's NFC. So let's take a quick look at the device, and then hopefully you will be helped to know whether you should buy this or not. So up tops we have the 3.5 millimeters of headphone jack. Then the phone has two microphones, one at the top, as you can see there, and one at the bottom. And then it has a speaker grill, of course, and then there's a USB Type-C charging port, which also has the data transfer port. One thing I like about budget gadgets is they have not compromised with the headphone jack like the flagships have. On the right side of the device we have the volume rocker and the power button. This power button is a nice one because it also acts as a notification light. Then the left side we have a Google Assistant button, and we have a SIM tray. Quickly open this. It's a triple SIM tray. That means it has 3 slots, 2 SIM cards and 1 SD card. Put that back in. At the back we have the 3 cameras, then we have the fingerprint reader, and then we have the selfie camera at the front. Is the speaker, another speaker grill up tops here. I will quickly switch on the device. There you have the Android One branding. I will do a quick setup of the device and then I will continue with the video. There we have it. Our phone is booted up, stock Android. I will quickly show you that this is Android 10. There you have it. I can also go to about the phone, then tap here, and as you can see there is Android Q or 10. Then I can very quickly go to the display settings, and there you have the dark theme. Swipe down so that you may see that. That's pretty much it. On the left side of the device we have the Google news feed, and then nothing else on the left. All the applications here, the phone is brand new, so all the applications are from Google. You have the Assistant, Chrome, Drive, Maps, Play Store, YouTube, and all sorts of things that come with stock Android. On the left side of the device we have the Google Assistant button, so if I click it, it brings up the Assistant. If you sign in, it will of course you will of course be able to set it up. You can swipe from the side also if you want the Assistant. I think it's because I haven't set the gestures, which would be a good thing to do right now and show you. I can have system navigation, use gesture navigation. So that means if I want to go back, I'll swipe from either my right or my left and go back. If I want to go home, I'll swipe up once. If I want to see my recent applications, I'll swipe a bit and hold. Swipe up and hold a bit, and there you can see your apps. If I want to see my app drawer, I'll swipe up once, and there you have it. If I want to have the dark theme changing, I can just bring this here and go back. Then now when I swipe down the notification panel, I can change my theme just by tapping there. And now I have my light theme. If I tap there again, I have my dark theme. You see, that's pretty much it. This is a good device. has 4 gigs of RAM, 64 gigs of internal storage. I would recommend to get this device if you do not have a phone at the moment, or for some reason you would want to upgrade. And I promise you will not be disappointed with this one. It has Gorilla Glass 3 at the back, and at the front you will have to use your case. As you saw in the unboxing, there was a case, so you can set that up for the protection of the glasses, or you can buy a different case for your device, like this one, and you can use it. The problem with these ones, be careful as you buy these ones, the power button acts as a notification, does notify you when you have messages or any notification. And so if you use a case like this one, you will definitely not see. But if you use the one that Nokia gives you in the box, it even has their name right there, if you can see it, Nokia. If you use this one, then it's all good. You will be able to see notifications when they come right there. So yeah, there you have the Nokia 6.2. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe. Hit the bell icon for new video notification, and until next time,